Hello, Billy here with A-dec. In my previous video, I took you through some of the options on an A-dec sterilization center. I now want to show you the next step in what A-dec offers to help keep your office organized and efficient. This is what we call the Make Ready. This is a very simple idea designed to help simplify a complicated and sometimes tedious job, inventory management. Once again, you configure this to whatever size meets your office's needs. The lower level consists of pivoting containers that allow you to easily access the items you have stored in these. They are clear to easily identify the items as well as see if you are running low. The main storage above consists of a combination of shelving and plastic bins. You can configure the containers, small, medium, and large, in whatever way makes sense for how you restock your tubs and trays with the various consumables for procedures. Managing your consumable inventory is going to be more important than ever once dental offices are able to get up and running. There will be a high demand for certain products in your office that you are going to want visibility of so you can order with plenty of time. Below, we have a traditional A-dec drawer bank with the color assorted tubs that once again you configure for what makes sense in your office. Of course, each drawer is equipped with our soft close hinges to allow the drawers to completely close with just a gentle push. Finally, let's see what this looks like from an efficiency perspective in your office. Here, I approach the Make Ready with my empty tub to restock for a procedure. I remove the lid and then select the items required for the specified procedure, then replace the lid. I then take the tub and place it in the selected location, preferably in the 12 o'clock in an operatory to ensure readiness for a procedure.